OnePlus 9 series is tipped to launch earlier than usual. If rumors are to be believed, then the upcoming OnePlus flagship devices will be launching in March 2021. OnePlus was previously rumored to launch two smartphones, namely the 9 and 9 Pro. But a new leak from tipster Max J suggests that the company will instead launch three devices, with the third one being the OnePlus 9e. And that's exactly why in this video we are going to discuss everything about the OnePlus 9 series, which includes three smartphones: OnePlus 9, 9 Pro and 9e. Also, at the end of the video we are going to discuss about the top 5 features that users are expecting from the new OnePlus 9 series. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan and let's start. Let's start with the OnePlus 9. The OnePlus 9 5G will reportedly sport a 6.55-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR content. The display is expected to offer an Full HD Plus resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone will mostly likely be powered by a new Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with 8GB or 12GB RAM and up to 256GB internal storage. The device may run on Android 11 based Oxygen OS out of the box to take care of the software side of things and pack a 4500 mAh battery. The OnePlus 9 isn't said to be IP68 water and dust resistant certified. That feature is expected to be exclusive to its elder sibling OnePlus 9 Pro. The Pro will also have a slightly taller form factor and higher screen resolution. The phone may support wireless charging as well and sport a quad camera setup at the back. If we talk about the camera setup, according to a recent report by SlashLeaks, the OnePlus 9 will be headlined by a 50 megapixel primary wide angle sensor, which is up from 48 megapixel on its predecessor OnePlus 8 or 8T. The sensor will reportedly be marketed as Ultra Vision and will be coupled with a 20 megapixel Cine Ultra wide sensor f1.8 and a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor with a large f3.4 aperture and OIS. Now let's move forward and have a look at the OnePlus 9 Pro. Starting with the design, the OnePlus 9 Pro will be a higher end offering with a 6.7-inch display with curved edges that will support 120Hz refresh rate and a hole punch cutout for the front facing camera. The rear glass panel will sport a quad camera setup. 2 out of the 4 camera sensors are enclosed within huge metal rings which protrude slightly from the main camera bump. As for internals, it's usually a case of iterative upgrades. So just like OnePlus 9 5G, expect the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 to power the flagship line, mated to at least 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. If OnePlus goes for a larger display and larger body, we could see a bulkier battery that the OnePlus 8T's 4500 mAh cell. Speaking of charging, we expect 65-watt warp charge to feature too. As for the optics, there are two different leaks. Previously, the phone is said to sport a 48 megapixel primary camera that pixel bins shots down to 12 megapixel. A secondary 48 megapixel is apparently used for ultra wide shots. A third yet unknown sensor is also included, but it might be a monochrome or macro shooter. As I mentioned earlier, some recent leaks are pointing that the OnePlus 9 may end up featuring new 50 megapixel Sony sensor. So if this ends up to be the case, then definitely OnePlus 9 Pro will also feature a similar setup with an additional fourth sensor. According to tipster Max J, the OnePlus 9 Pro will be the only model in the range to receive an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Like the OnePlus 8, the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9e will not feature that badge. Finally, let's talk about the OnePlus 9e, which will be a new addition to OnePlus 9 series. Talking about the design of OnePlus 9e, it will have a smaller form factor and will have smaller display panel with full HD plus resolution and 20Hz refresh rate. On the back, it will have a glass rear panel just like its siblings. Now this OnePlus 9e will not be mid-range smartphone, as OnePlus already has its OnePlus Nord series for mid-range smartphones, but OnePlus 9e will be be a slight downgrade from OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. So it will still have next year's flagship processor, that is a Snapdragon 888. It will have a smaller battery capacity as well compared to OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, but the smaller display and slightly less refresh rate will compensate that, and you will still be able to get good battery backup with this smartphone. Next up, let's talk about the cameras. According to the leaks, it will have a dual camera setup. The primary lens will most probably be the 48 megapixel camera, and secondary lens will be an ultra wide angle lens. If we talk about the pricing of OnePlus 9 series smartphones, we haven't heard anything about the price of the OnePlus 9 yet, but it won't reach the dizzying heights of Samsung and Apple devices. Looking at the 8 series, the base model starts at $699 for the 8GB or 182GB model, while the OnePlus 8 Pro starts at $899. Both models are 5G capable, and we expect the OnePlus 9 to follow suit. So it's safe to say that the OnePlus 9 base variant will be priced somewhere around $750. For the Pro variant, we can expect the pricing somewhere between $900 to $1,000, and the OnePlus 9e will be priced below $600 as it's a downgrade of OnePlus 9. Now let's discuss about the top 5 features that we would like to see in the new OnePlus 9 series. So the first one is wireless charging in the non-Pro phone. The OnePlus 8 Pro has wireless charging, but don't opt for the Pro and you are losing the feature, which isn't great for people who want a more affordable handset but still want the convenience of wireless charging. Perhaps that was just the case because the OnePlus 8 Pro was the first phone from the company with the cordless charging tech, and it was just testing the feature out. If so, maybe the OnePlus 9 will have wireless charging as well as its Pro siblings. Second, a higher resolution main camera. Both the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro have 48 megapixel main camera, since many other companies have 64 megapixel and even 108 megapixel snappers. This feels a little low resolution and we would like to see some improvements. Sure, resolution isn't the only factor that dictates how good a smartphone picture is, as pixel size can be important, but the OnePlus 8 didn't have the bigger pixel 48 megapixel sensor that some other phones have, so it missed out on this advantage. We would like to see the OnePlus 9 or even just the 9 Pro have a high resolution main camera, or maybe just a primary snapper with bigger pixels to take better snaps. Third, Warp Charge 65 for all. While OnePlus could keep Warp Charge 30 wireless of the OnePlus 9 and reserve it only for the Pro, it can't do that with Warp Charge 65. Both the regular and Pro variants need to have Warp Charge 65. It wouldn't make any sense for the OnePlus 8T to have it and then only the Pro flagships to have it after that. Fourth, flat displays. The OnePlus 7 series introduced curved displays to the OnePlus portfolio. While people like the idea of curved displays, they do have some distinct disadvantages such as accidental touches and sunlight glare. Thankfully, the OnePlus 8T dropped the curve entirely and went for a totally flat display. It's unclear if OnePlus would continue that with the OnePlus 9 series. It's possible that the vanilla model could stick with a flat display, while the Pro model could see some curves. If that's the case, that will be fine. As long as the curves are subtle, we don't need sky slopes on the sides of our phones. The last one is better haptics. One of the biggest complaints about the OnePlus 7 Pro was its decidedly not pro level haptics. When OnePlus launched the OnePlus 8 Pro, it revealed haptic vibration 2.0, which is supposedly better. Strong haptics is one of the easiest ways to feel the difference between a premium phone and not premium phone. OnePlus needs to up its game here for the OnePlus 9 series. At the very least on the OnePlus 9 Pro, if the vanilla model has the same haptics as the OnePlus 8 Pro, that will be okay, as long as the Pro model gets a serious upgrade. So guys, which of these features you wanted to see in the upcoming OnePlus 9 Pro? Do let us know that in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.